Let's talk a moment about the advisor that will help you sell your business or buy a business. They go by different names: business broker, mergers and acquisition advisor, business intermediary, and investment banker. We'll talk a little bit about the differences in the future, but for now we'll just call them a business broker. You want a business broker or mergers and acquisition advisor that has experience in selling your type of business. And the reason for that is because they know and understand the numbers, and if there's an issue with the numbers, they know immediately. Let me give you an example. We had a client that was looking to sell their business. When we got the tax returns, we immediately knew there was a problem. The seller was unaware of it, but what we did was we scheduled a conference call with the seller and their accountant. We talked it over and we were able to pinpoint the problem. The taxes were prepared incorrectly. The seller then went and had the taxes prepared correctly by a different CPA. We were able to take it to market and we sold that business. By us being experienced in selling this type of business, engineering, we were able to identify that problem up front. If we had not identified that problem up front, we would have spent time and money, and the seller would not have sold their business. So you want somebody who understands your business. Second, you want somebody who has a track record of success. Have they sold businesses? Have they sold your type of businesses? And how many sales do they have? Now, you can't just look at the raw number to say this person is more successful or less successful based on the number of sales, because the larger the sales and the more complex the sales, the fewer transactions they'll have per year. Third, you need somebody who understands the numbers and can explain the numbers to people in plain English. You don't want somebody who's going to talk in jargon and talk about EBITDA and seller's discretionary cash flow and debt service coverage. You want somebody who can explain what those terms mean in simple and plain language.